Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts, and I have a really fun project to share with you today. All this week on my blog, I've been sharing projects using iron-on transfers, iron-on vinyl, and today I'm going to show you a project that uses an iron-on material but doesn't require a cutting machine of any kind. Cricut has recently come out with these really cool iron-on designs, and they're already done for you. You don't have to do any cutting, any printing, and they're very affordable. I think this one was $4.99, and of course if you use a coupon you can get it for a lot less than that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use this transfer and just a plain youth t-shirt to make a new shirt for my daughter. You can use an iron with these iron-on transfers, but they're made to be used with this guy. This is the Cricut EasyPress, and it is a really cool tool if you are someone who likes to do iron-on crafts a lot. I'm actually going to be using this for the very first time today, and I'm going to take you along on the process. If you want to see how to use these iron-on designs and the Cricut EasyPress, please keep watching. Alright, so let's get started on this quick and easy project. I picked this Cricut iron-on design up at Michael's, and they had a bunch of cute designs. This happens to be one large design. A few of their other versions have like 3 designs all in one, so you can do 3 different projects for just one price. I really like this. I'm actually a mermaid design. My daughter's been taking swim lessons, so I thought she would really like a t-shirt that said this. When you get these, you can open them up, and you'll see that the design is all set to go on a sheet of transfer paper. You don't have to do any cutting or anything. It's all set to adhere to your project. Inside of the packaging, you will also find directions, both for the Cricut EasyPress and for household iron. So you don't need to have this tool in order to make this project. It just makes it a little quicker and easier. So this, excuse me, this particular project says to set your EasyPress to 340 degrees, and I've already done that, but I want to show you how that works. Up here are all your controls for your EasyPress, and to change the temperature you simply press the temp button and it'll start flashing. And then you can adjust using the plus or minus tools, and once you have it set to the correct temperature, you press the temp button again and it will preheat up to the temperature that you have set it to. It's kind of like setting an oven to preheat. The EasyPress also has a timer, which makes adhering your projects kind of foolproof. My problem with using a regular iron is I never know how long to iron it for, and so you always have to check and see if the project is stuck yet or not. The EasyPress takes the guesswork out of it. So just like setting the temperature, you set the time limit. I have it set right now for 15 seconds because this project requires you to preheat the material before you place your transfer onto the shirt or the pillow or whatever you happen to be making. The EasyPress also comes with this base, and that ensures that you're not melting your table or whatever else you're working on. It is, however, suggested that you use a heat-proof flat surface when you're working on your project. Also with your EasyPress, you will receive a booklet that gives you all the information that you need for using your EasyPress for the first time, making projects. They give you a little bit of material that you can try out the EasyPress right away, and it's a lot of really good information. The other thing that comes in the box is a quick reference chart. So if you're not doing something like this where the project itself comes with instructions, you can quickly and easily look up what type of iron-on you're using and what your material is, and it will let you know what temperature you need to set your EasyPress to and for how long you need to use the heat. So I'm going to be hanging on to this for future reference. Alright, let's get started on the project. Your EasyPress will also come with an EasyPress mat that is used kind of like an ironing board, and it fits the EasyPress perfectly so you can do large sections of heating at one time. So first I'm going to move the transfer off to the side because we don't need that yet. I'm going to place the EasyPress mat down where you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to set my t-shirt on top of it. Whoops. kind of want to center the shirt on the mat because of course we want the design to be centered. There, that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to set the EasyPress on top of the shirt, press the green go button, and apply a little bit of pressure, not too much. This is just to preheat the fabric so it takes the transfer a little bit better. You want to be careful when you're using the EasyPress not to touch anything on the bottom. Oh, see, our 15 seconds are up already. You want to be careful not to touch the bottom because obviously it's very, very hot. It's like a large iron. Get that dog hair out of the way. All right, now my surface is preheated. Yes, I know, you're up to temperature, good. It will beep when it gets up to temperature and it will also beep when the timer is over. All right, I'm now going to place my transfer right where I want it. And then I'm going to set the timer on my EasyPress for 50 seconds. And I'm actually gonna have to move that into frame here. For 50 seconds, because remember that's how long that we need to be applying heat. All right, all set for 50 seconds. Make sure I didn't mess up the alignment there when I was working. Place your EasyPress on top of the design and press the go button. And the timer will go off to let me know when the 50 seconds have passed. All right, now I can remove the EasyPress. And the next step is to actually flip the project over and heat it from the back as well, which is a really good technique anytime you're using iron-on vinyl or any transfers. You want to heat it from both sides. So I flip it over. And it's suggested to set the timer for 15 seconds for the back side, so I'm just going to adjust that off camera here. Place the EasyPress on the back side of the shirt and press the go button. All set. I'm going to move that back over to the base and actually turn it off so it can cool down since we're done with the heating portion of the project. These iron-on transfers from Cricut are cool peels, which means after you've adhered them to the shirt or to your project, you have to let it cool down for a minute or two before you peel it off. So I'll see you in a couple of minutes. All right, it's been about 2 minutes and it's cooler to the touch, so we can try peeling away to reveal our design. Notice I'm going really slowly and keeping the transfer paper sort of level to the project. And there we go. An adorable, one-of-a-kind t-shirt that I made in about 15-20 minutes. And that's how easy it is to use the Cricut iron-on transfers and the EasyPress. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Visit me over on my blog, maddencrafts.com, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!